my name is Tejas Ingale. So I'm the Chief Technical Coordinator for a company called as Injotech India Pvt.Ltd. We are based in Pune. This company, my father and I, we manage the company. So it's our family business. We are predominantly into industrial inspection services. So similar to how our human body has, we go for regular health checkups and we conduct x-rays, ultrasound and other such checkups. We do the same thing but for industries. So cement industry is one of the industry that we work for. The cement industry has many components like the mill, the kiln, and along with that we have boilers and heat exchangers and other such components. So as they are used, they start having wear and tear. So there's a chance that they may fail. So regular inspections are carried out for all these components and products to ensure longevity of life and also to prevent breakdown. So that is where we come in. We provide all such inspection services to all these industries. Other industries include oil and gas, aerospace, marine, civil infrastructure and railways and so on. This company has been active for the past 34 years and we have a total employee strength of 300 people, and we are having we keep taking part in exhibitions like this, and new technology are also introduced. Most of the technology is not available in India, so we import it from abroad and then we introduce this inspection technology in India for our clients, so that as the technology is updated, we update our own database also so that we can provide up-to-date solutions and inspection results. Footfall so far has been good. We just hope that we still 1.5 days are remaining, so we hope more people come and we have a pretty good footfall going forward as well. Thank you so much.